Hi there, students. The moment of truth. Okay, this is the deciding moment. This is the moment that shows whether something will work or not. So I spent weeks rebuilding the engine, and I put it back in the car, and I put new bits, new pieces in it. And then for the moment of truth, I put the key in the engine and turned the key, and it started. Okay, so the moment of truth, this is the moment where you discover if something is going to work or not. He always wanted to open a restaurant, and finally he did. So he decorated and got everything ready. And tomorrow is the moment of truth when he opens the doors and finds out if it's going to be a success. I think exams, public exams, are always a moment of truth. This is where you discover if you do know your subject, if you have studied properly, and how you compare to everybody else. Okay, I think you can also probably use this phrase, the moment of truth, when you have to make a decision. You can't delay this decision any longer. Yeah, you need to make the decision now. Now is the moment of truth. Are you going to do it or not? Yeah. Or a salesman, he's giving his pitch, he's explaining his product and why the customer needs it, and then comes the moment of truth. Is the customer going to buy it or not? Yeah, the customer might say yes, might say no. So this is the idea of the moment of truth. This is the moment in a process where effectively there's a fork in the road, success or failure. Yeah, things work out or things don't work out, or maybe things go in one direction or the other one. Yeah, I don't know. In a peace negotiation, the two sides may talk, and then there's the moment of truth when they decide: are they going to make peace or are they going to continue killing each other? Okay, that's the moment of truth, the decisive moment. So we have got to the final of this competition. This is the moment of truth where we will discover who wins the competition. Yeah, when you try something for the first time, this is the moment of truth. Yeah, does it work or doesn't it work? Yeah, because very often, you try something for the first time and it's absolutely no good. And that's the moment of truth. Oh, yes, it works brilliantly. So the moment of truth. Let's see, actually, the origin of this phrase comes from Spanish, el momento de la verdad, which is, the English phrase is a direct translation of it, the moment of truth. And this is in bullfighting, where the bullfighter finally kills the bull that he's been torturing. Yeah, so the moment of truth. Does the matador have the skill to do it or not? Okay, so the moment of truth, the decisive moment. Enough. Formality you probably want as well. I think I'm going to give it a 3.5 or a 4 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, in a semi-formal conversation, maybe just in a semi-formal writing, but it's on the informal side. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. The moment of truth.